Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we will now be discussing how to create custom report types. Custom report types give administrators a template to work with when creating and modifying reports in Salesforce. Report types are derived of the relationships between objects, either through a lookup relationship or a master detail relationship. So within a custom report type, we can define what objects are available in the report. Also, it will include the different fields available in that report and what relationships the records included in the report will have. So in our example, we'll be creating a new custom report type for Mojo Electronics. Because we created a custom object called shipment earlier, we will need to create a custom report for that object to start creating reports on that object, as well as introduce standards on the data for any report containing shipments. Along with including any shipments, we are also including the shipment items object along with the activities logged for that shipment item. So to start off, let's proceed to the setup menu and go to create. Under build, hit on report type. Let's skip the splash page for now and click on new custom report type. So first we'll select the primary object our report type will be reporting on. So let's select shipment and enter the report type label. So let's just enter shipment with items and activities. So let's retain the report type name generated by Salesforce. For our description, let's just say report type including shipment items and activities. For the store and category section, let's just select other reports. For the deployment checkbox or radio button, let's just select in development for now. Click on next. So next I'll be defining what records our report type will be allowing on any report created with that report type. So report types basically work off different objects related either through a lookup or a master detail relationship. So just in case you want a refresher, both field types are discussed in more detail in video 5 of section 3. So to start off, let's just click to relate to another object to create a sub-object between our shipment. So for object B, we want to select shipment items. And for the option, we're going to select the first option, which means that each shipment record will have at least one shipment item. So this setting will filter out any empty shipments in any of our report. So next, let's create another relationship below shipment items. This time we are creating another relationship, but this time it would be with the standard activities object, which includes call, tasks, and emails. This allows us to report on all the different activities under the shipment item as well. So let's select activities. And then select the second option for our object relationship. Selecting the second option indicates activities may not be present in shipment items all the time. Finally, click on Save to finish our report type. So after creating the report type and the relationship between the different objects within our report type, we can also indicate the fields available in the report builder sidebar. So to do this, let's first click on the Edit Layout. On the section Fields Available for Reports, on this interface, we can either add or remove fields available in the report builder sidebar. Also, we can create new sections if necessary. For now, let's just remove some fields from the shipment section. So let's first drag the fields we want to remove. So let's say last modified date, last modified by, created date, and then created by. Let's just drag that back. And another last modified field. Next, we'd also want to clean up the fields available in the shipment items section. So for shipment items, let's just remove some of the fields. So finally, we can just hit on Save to save our field layout properties for our custom report type. So the power of Salesforce Report Builder is that it allows easy creation of ad hoc reports on the system. As administrators, although most of the reports in the system will still be our responsibility, the creation of custom report types allows us to create a report framework for other users that will allow them to create reports relevant to their department or teams with minimal effort. Using custom report types, we can do the following. First, we can enter report type details and select which primary object or report type is based. Next, we can define the primary and related objects to include in the report type. And then finally, we can manage the fields available in each object in the report builder. So the custom report type's main advantage is that it allows administrators to create additional report types outside of the standard report types in Salesforce. therefore allowing admins to create basically any type of report for various data in the system. So that's it for report types, and in the next video we will be discussing how to create charts for any of the reports we have just created.